In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a pricing quote generator with Lovable MCP. We'll start inside Lovable by creating a new project. After logging in, you can begin with a blank project or choose a CRM or business management template if one is available. Give the project a clear, descriptive name like pricing quote generator so it's easy to recognize as it grows. Next, build the quote form. This is the main interface where users will enter quote details, so keep it simple and easy to complete. Typical fields include customer name, company name, email address, product or service, quantity, unit price, discount, tax rate, and notes. A clean layout matters here because a well-organized form reduces errors and makes the quoting process faster. After that, create your quote database. Connect the app to a backend such as Supabase or another supported database. Then create a table to store quote records with fields like quote ID, customer name, product, quantity, unit price, discount, tax, total price, status, and created date. Once the structure is in place, test both saving and retrieving records to make sure your data flow works properly. Now add the pricing calculations. This is where your app becomes truly useful. Set up the business logic to automatically calculate subtotal, discounts, taxes, final total, and grand total. It's also important to validate user input so negative quantities or invalid prices don't create bad quote data. From there, open your Lovable project settings and enable agent integrations. Lovable will generate an MCP server that exposes your app's functionality to supported AI assistants. Once that's turned on, configure your MCP tools. Useful examples include create quote, calculate quote, update quote, get quote. By ID, list customer quotes and email quote. Use clear names and well-defined parameters so the assistant can reliably choose the right tool. Security comes next. Protect customer data by enabling authentication. If your app supports user accounts, require sign-in, enable OAuth when available, and apply role-based permissions so users only access their own quotes. Always enforce authorization on the back end, not just in the interface. Then connect your MCP server to a supported AI client such as ChatGPT or Claude. After authentication, confirm that your quote tools are available and responding correctly to quote-related requests. To make quotes look professional, include company branding, customer details, line items, pricing breakdowns, taxes, discounts, terms and conditions, and a quote